Forecast Bar offers rich support for personal weather stations, or PWSs, in your area. These weather stations can provide extremely accurate and hyperlocal weather for you. You may own your own weather station, or you can leverage weather stations from those in your area for free as long as you have a premium subscription to Forecast Bar. Let's take a look at how to set it up. To get started, we'll press the menu button to show our location list. You'll see an icon here that shows black when no PWS is selected and green when one is. Let's tap on it to configure our PWS. You'll see that there are a couple options for how you can get started. First, we'll just look at what's already available in our area, and then second, we'll look at how you can connect with Netatmo to get even more weather stations in your area. So you'll see from this location, there's a couple weather stations that are really close to my location. I can tap on one or select it down in the table to learn more. By tapping on it, I can see what temperature it's reporting, as well as what features it has, like wind and pressure. If I'm happy with this, I can choose the Use button down below. Whenever I'm within 2 miles of this station, it's going to use the station data to augment the weather. So what that means is as the weather loads, this 85 degrees is what that personal weather station is seeing, as opposed to what the general forecast is for Cupertino. The rest of the forecast blends in seamlessly, so where the personal weather station can offer you updated and more accurate information, we'll use that. But personal weather stations don't offer forecasts or any of the other advanced forecasting techniques that Forecast Bar has. So all of this other data will stay the same from your forecast. What you get is a single view with the best of both worlds. The most accurate forecast for your immediate area based on the personal weather station, as well as a long-range forecast that uses the best we have to offer. Now, if you have a Netatmo station, you can connect that. Or you can even search and add your own station ID if you know exactly what you're looking for. Let's take a look at how to configure Netatmo, which is a provider that sells affordable weather stations. We'll go to Settings, General, and then select Login with Netatmo. By logging in with our Netatmo account, or creating a free account and logging in, this will unlock all of the Netatmo weather stations in your area. You'll then follow the same process by tapping on the icon that brings up the map with all of the stations in your area. You'll notice a number of new stations that are Netatmo, and you can use them in the same way we configured the other stations. We recommend setting up a PWS for every location that you care about, as it is the best way to get the most accurate and hyper-local weather in Forecast Bar, which is what we're all about. Thank you.